Eco-friendly travel hacks for your next adventure. World Around Me, Arsl. Traveling opens our eyes to the world's beauty, but it also leaves a footprint. As we explore breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultures, we must be mindful of our impact on the environment. This isn't about sacrificing adventure, it's about enhancing it through conscious choices. Here are some eco-friendly travel hacks to make your next trip both memorable and sustainable. The impact of travel. Tourism, while economically beneficial, constrain resources, contribute to pollution, and disrupt fragile ecosystems. Increased air travel contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. Overcrowding in popular destinations can lead to waste management issues and damage to natural attractions. Even seemingly small actions, like using disposable toiletries, can accumulate and harm the environment. However, the narrative isn't about stopping travel. It's about transforming how we travel. Eco-friendly hacks for the conscious traveler. Packlight, travelright. Reducing baggage weight lessens the fuel consumption of airplanes. Opt for versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched, minimizing the need for excessive packing. Choose travel-sized, refillable containers for toiletries to avoid single-use plastics. Choose sustainable transportation. Whenever possible, prioritize eco-friendly transportation options. Consider train travel, which often has a lower carbon footprint than flying. Within cities, utilize public transportation, cycling, or walking. For shorter distances, explore carpooling or renting electric vehicles. Support local businesses. Staying in locally owned accommodations and eating at local restaurants supports the community directly and reduces the environmental impact associated with large hotel chains and international food transport. Buying souvenirs from local artisans instead of mass-produced items further contributes to sustainable economic development. Respect the environment. Leave no trace behind. Pack out all trash and dispose of it responsibly. Avoid disturbing natural habitats, including plants and wildlife. Stay on designated trails to prevent erosion and protect sensitive ecosystems. Be mindful of water usage, especially in areas where it's scarce. Offset your carbon footprint. While reducing your carbon footprint is the most impactful action, you can also offset the emissions from unavoidable travel, like air travel. Several organizations offer carbon offsetting programs that invest in environmental projects, such as reforestation and renewable energy development. Embrace slow travel. Instead of rushing through multiple destinations, consider spending more time in fewer places. This allows for deeper cultural immersion, reduces transportation emissions, and often leads to more authentic and enriching travel experiences. Educate yourself and others. Stay informed about environmental issues and responsible travel practices. Share your knowledge with fellow travelers and inspire them to make eco-conscious choices. The more people who adopt these practices, the greater the positive impact on the planet. Choose eco-friendly accommodations. Look for hotels and guest houses that have implemented sustainable practices, such as energy efficiency, water conservation, and waste reduction programs. Many certifications and labels can help you identify eco-friendly options. Traveling sustainably isn't just a trend, it's a responsibility. By incorporating these eco-friendly travel hacks into your adventures, you can contribute to preserving the planet's beauty for future generations. Let's explore the world responsibly, one conscious trip at a time. Join me next time on World Around Me, Arsl, for more tips and insights on sustainable living and travel.